We've all seen those mouth-watering videos on TikTok of people making fake foods. But did you know that the history of fake foods dates back centuries?
Fake foods have been used for centuries as a way to impress guests or create a certain ambiance.
In fact, one of the first recorded instances of fake food was in the 16th century when the Italian artist Giuseppe Arcimboldo created portraits of people made entirely out of food. Since then, fake foods have become increasingly popular, with chefs and restaurants around the world using them in their dishes and displays. But why use fake foods when real ones are available?
Fake foods allow us to experiment with new flavors and textures without the risk of ruining a dish.
Plus, fake foods can add an element of surprise and whimsy to a meal, making it a memorable experience for diners. Of course, not all fake foods are created equal. Some are more realistic than others. But even the less realistic ones can be fun to look at. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to taste the fake foods we see on TikTok. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't believe everything you see on TikTok.